Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're breaking down the best laser levels of 2025. Whether you're a pro on the job site or a DIYer tackling home projects, I've got you covered. We'll look at accuracy, features, durability, and what gives you the most bang for your buck this year. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more reviews and buyer's guides every day. Drop a like if this helps, and let me know in the comments which laser level you're using or thinking of picking up. Starting at number 5, we have DeWalt DW088K. Need a tough, accurate laser level that won't quit on the job? The DeWalt DW088K is built like a tank, with a 1-meter drop-tested housing and IP54 water and debris resistance. It's ready for real worksite abuse. It features self-leveling tech and a magnetic bracket for quick, hassle-free setup on any metal surface. With up to 165 feet range, when paired with a detector, and 1/8-inch accuracy at 30 feet, it's perfect for pros who demand precision. Plus, the compact case makes it easy to store and transport. I've used it for framing and tile work. It's solid, reliable, and spot-on. If you want accuracy and durability in one package, the DW088K delivers. Moving on, at number 4, we have SKILL932301. Need an easy way to get perfect lines for your DIY projects? The SKILL932301 laser level projects bright green horizontal and vertical lines up to 65 feet, making it ideal for installing shelves, cabinets, or trim with precision. The green laser is super visible, even in well-lit rooms, and the self-leveling feature takes out all the guesswork. No manual adjustments needed. It runs on a rechargeable lithium-ion battery with a micro USB port, and battery indicators keep you in the loop. Plus, it comes with a versatile clamp that attaches securely for hands-free use. I've used it for wall setups, and it works like a charm. Accurate, bright, and super easy to use. A great tool for any home project. At number 3, we have Bosch GLL3-330CG. Looking for a tough, ultra-visible laser level for serious job site use? The Bosch GLL3-330CG delivers with green beam technology that's up to 4x brighter than standard red lasers, perfect for indoor and outdoor work. It's self-leveling with a smart pendulum system that blinks if out of level and locks for safe transport. With dual power options, AA batteries, or a Bosch lithium-ion pack, you get flexibility and less downtime. Plus, it's IP55 rated to handle dust, rain, and rough conditions without flinching. The built-in magnetic mount makes setup quick and easy on any surface. After testing it, I can say it's compact, precise, and built to last. If you want pro-grade accuracy and durability, the Bosch GLL3-330CG is a solid choice. At number 2, we have CIGMAN, self-leveling, 3x360 degrees, 3D. Tired of guessing level lines on complex projects? The CIGMAN self-leveling 3x360 degrees laser level is a game changer with 12 ultra-bright green laser lines that give you full 360 degrees coverage, perfect for tiling, framing, or installing fixtures. It's compact, IP54 rated, and built tough for demanding job sites. With multiple modes including auto leveling and pulse, great for outdoor or large areas, plus a remote control for easy adjustments, this tool is built for precision and convenience. The long-lasting 4,000 mAh battery charges via USB-C and keeps you working without interruptions. I love how it includes a tripod, magnetic base, and remote right out of the box. For both pros and DIYers, this is easily one of the most versatile and reliable laser levels out there. And finally, at number 1, Motovera LLT2. Need an affordable laser level that works indoors and out? Meet the Motovera LLT2 Green Laser Level, your go-to tool for accuracy and reliability up to 100 feet. It projects a bright 110 degrees green cross line that's 4x more visible than red lasers, with 4 brightness levels for any lighting condition. The 360 degrees magnetic bracket and fine adjustment knobs make it super easy to mount and align precisely. You get self-leveling and manual modes, so whether you're hanging shelves or working on sloped surfaces, this tool adapts to the job. With its IP54 dust and water resistance and compact, drop-resistant design, it's tough enough for any workspace. For the price, the Motovera LLT2 punches way above its weight. Perfect for DIYers and pros alike.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.